Hi, this is Sean Conley with RE/MAX Advantage and the Conley Real Estate Group, and I want to welcome you to this beautiful new listing at 90 Ocean Street in historic Diamond District. This magnificent 1902 Queen Anne Victorian was built for Joseph Burroughs, who was a dry goods merchant here in Massachusetts. This home is an impressive example of quality construction and craftsmanship built during the 1900s. So let's step inside and see this beautiful home. Well, thanks again for viewing this property. If you have any other additional questions or you'd like a private showing, please contact me. Thank you.